Yes. So before we start the client script, you need to understand how many types of scripts we have in ServiceNow and what are the advantages of it. Okay. There are two types of scripts we have. One is client script and the other one is server side script. Okay.
Okay.
Give me a second. Let me go there. Yes. So we have two types of in ServiceNow. We have two types of scripts. One is client scripts and server side script. Then what is the difference between client script and server script? Okay. So here, whatever you are able to see, that is form or a browser, whatever it may be, it is called client. The backend server will be called as server. Backend database will called as server. That means if I want to tell you in a layman example, your mobile phone is there. When you open any application, first you will see form or a home page or anything that will be called as your client. And a server is nothing but a backend processor or a database will be called as. In your mobile phone also you'll have internal storage and internal processor, right? So that will be called as server. Understand? In the same way here also, if you ask about what is our client now, that means this incident form is our client now. And when you enter some data like about tutor, okay, and added something here and added, no, and assigned this ticket to somebody like network team, okay, network team, and saved the record, then from the client, the data will go to database, that means a server, and save there and get it updated there. Okay, when you click on all, if I go to incident form and click on all, when I click on all, what will happen, guys? It will go to database, and from the incident form, see, if you go to edit application, day before yesterday, we have discussed the same thing. If I click on edit application, what exactly it is doing? See, the visibility is, all right. Yeah, so the visibility is nothing. The link type is, yeah, see, it is not. Actually, the link type will be list of records. You know that, right? List of records. And the table is incident. What I'm asking by clicking on all, get all the records from the incident table. Understand? If I click on open, what I am asking the ServiceNow system? Go to the incident table and sort out with open tickets, not resolved, not closed. That is called open. So if you go to edit module, what it is telling you, link tab active is equal to true. Activity is equal to true means when the issue is, that means when the incident is not closed, that means it is active. When it is moved to, see, I will show you one thing for you. I will click on create new. I will pull out the active button, active field, form layout. Active is there. Okay. Save the record. So here it is active, no? Array, what happened here? Actually, it is some UI policies are written on that active button, it seems, but it's okay. You can see, what I'll do is, I'll pull out active here so that you will be able to understand on the list view. Okay, click on it. Say active are there. I will make this true or false, group by active, group by active. So true, false are 7. See, you can see active false state is cancelled or closed. Correct? And
Yes.
active to true, that means whether it is new, in progress, on hold, whatever it may be, all are active. Whoever, tickets are cancelled and closed or in inactive, that means false. So what exactly you are trying to do here? Active to true is nothing but you are only you are asking the system to populate only the incident which are active, that means which are open, that means which are in new, in progress, on hold, resolved tickets, not cancelled or closed. No, I don't want them. Understand?
Yes.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, first class, I also want to talk to Rikita madam, sir. Yes, please talk to her. Okay. So now what you need to, this is also your client. When you click on all, what you are asking the Servicenow system, you are asking it to go to database or incident table and get all the records which are available in the table. So it is pulling out all the records, irrespective of whether it is true or false, whatever it may be, pull out all the records. If you open, that means I think, I hope you understand. When you click on create new, you are asking the Servicenow system to open a new record. That's the reason why it is populating. So your screen or the form, whatever you are able to see at present, that is called your client. And the backend database and the application will be called as server. Any confusion on this?
No.
Okay. Here, Anuja, Anish, Mansoor Ali, Swati, Erram Hariprasad, Vinay Verma. Any questions? Any confusion on this client and the server? Guys, please respond to me. Otherwise, I will get confused whether you understand it or not.
No, Kumar.
Okay. So here today we are going to discuss about client scripts. Client scripts are nothing but here you can only manage. There are multiple advantages with client script. That means, in the next class you will be able to. Today we are going to discuss about the basic things of client script. Tomorrow we will discuss about the advanced things of client scripts. Okay. So now, if you want to make this location field, I already told you in the previous classes, if you want to make any field mandatory, read only and visible, you can do it with n number of methods. So one of the method is client script. So right click on the header, go to configure and client scripts. Okay. Yeah. So right click on the header. Okay. Right click on the header, go to configure and client scripts. So I went to client scripts now. Here there are n number of, see, already existing client scripts are there, 37. On the incident form, guys, on the table incident, we have 37 client scripts. Okay. Here we have in the client scripts, we have 4 types of client scripts. We have 4 types of client scripts. What are those 4 types? That means this is 100% question in your interviews as well as your examination. On load, on submit, on change, on select. These are the 4 types of client scripts. On load, on submit, on change. All these 3 types are related to form view of the table. On select is related to list view of the table. There is nothing but whether it is incident, change, problem, whatever it may be. On load, on submit, on change are related to form view. On select is related to listing. So on, what do you mean by on load here? That means whenever, if you go to incident form, if you reload the form is getting reloaded or not? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
When I click on, if I go to incident module, if I click on create new, form is getting reloaded with a new number or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. If I add the able tutor and I'll put a test here, test value, assignment group is some database. I will save the record. Still, it is reloading or not?
Reloading.
Yes.
When I save the record, it is refreshing for 2 milliseconds and populating with new values. So is it reloading or not?
Yes.
What do you mean by onload? Whenever the form is loading, some action should be done. Whenever the form is loading, some action should be done. Okay, that is onload client script. Whenever you click on submit is nothing but it is not related to reload. No, whenever you click on save or submit, see, whenever you click on submit or save the record, some action should be done. What is that action? It can be anything. Like, whenever I save the record, I should get a popular pop-up message that I want to make sure that all the mandatory fields are filled in or not. Or I want to make sure that end users have not entered any personal data or not. Something like that, I want to give a warning message. So anything, any action, I'll show you what are the actions we can perform. But still, okay, I'll show you on the first onload and on submit. Then I will move on to on change and on cell edit. Okay. Right. Now I want to see whenever a form loads, whenever the form loads, I want to make whoever has filled this form, I want to make sure that please add your description clearly. This is what I wanted to update. So what I can do is right click on the header, go to configure and client scripts, client scripts. Okay, I'll click on create new. I'll click on create new. Okay. Yeah. See, this is a new client script, guys. New client script. Here, confirm the description. Something like that I will name on my own. You can name it on your own. So confirm description. Description. Okay. So on the incident table, I am writing this client script. UI type is desktop and mobile service portal. If you want to apply this client script only on mobile, you can select mobile. If you want to apply this client script both on desktop and mobile versions, yes, you can click on types. I already told you we have onload, on submit, on change, and on select. So now I am selecting onload. So when you click on onload, this snippet will be populating automatically. If you want, I'll show you one more time. I'll copy this. I'll reload the form. Before you save, it will be wiped off everything. So nothing is there in script snippet. I will add something here. When I select a type, onload, the snippet will be populated. Okay. So now here what I'll do is form load. Whenever the form is loading, I want to give a alert message, alert. Okay. What is the message? See here, message colon any. That means alert. Please check the. Okay, please fill the description field in detail. Okay, this is what I wanted to populate a message. Okay, do you know all these parameters, parentheses, everything, guys? So in the JavaScript,
Yes, sir.
if you want to, so if you whoever I don't know, for them I am telling you. So this quotations means you are entering some text. Some text you want to, if you want to enter some text, this is in the quotations you have to enter. And what is after that, parenthesis should be closed. And then if you want to, what is the semicolon? End of the statement. Okay. I'm saving the record. Guys, if you have any questions, whether it is small, bad, wrong, anything, you can ask me. I'm saving the record for now. Okay. So now if you go like this and reload the form, see, please fill the description field in detail. Understood?
Yes.
So that is called on load. Whenever the form loading, some action should be done. Whenever the form loads or refreshes, some action. What is the action we have performed? That populate message. Yeah, populating the message is the action here. Guys, are you able to understand?
Yes.
Varma, Swati, Srikanth, Dilip, Devi.
Yes, yes, sir.
This can be applied to any field.
Yes, yes. No. See, here we are applying this action.
Yeah.
We are performing this action on the form, not on the
Mm.
specific field.
Okay,
Specific field, in the next 10 minutes, you will be able to understand. We are applying this action on the form, not on the specific field. Correct?
Yes.
See, this is
Okay.
only a text field. Text we have entered. You can write the, please fill in the description, not only description. Please fill all the fields in the details. Something like that, you can write it on your own. It is only a alert message. Okay. Now, and next, only alert I have done. Only alert. Okay. And next thing is, I will select, I will go to the, I will update it. I'll create one more client script here. I will create one more client script, form layer, sorry. Right click on the header, right click on the header, go to configure and client scripts. See, create. Here, okay. Whenever the form loads, I want to make this department field mandatory and location field read only. Department field mandatory and location field read only. This is what I want. I can do this with the help of configure dictionary also, but I wanted to use this method. Location field location underscore field read only underscore department underscore field mandatory. This is what I want. Okay. Whenever I want this, whenever I submit the form, whenever I or onload, whatever onload I will stay. Okay, what I can do here, G underscore form. G underscore form. G means glide. Glide is the server name of Servicenow. Servicenow server name is glide. So glide of G underscore form is nothing but whatever you are able to see on the form, that is your G underscore form. That means the present form is called G underscore form on the client side. Please remember, guys, the present form, whatever you are able to see, that is called G underscore form on the client side. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We will refer our present form as a G underscore form. Okay. Right. Again, I'm writing G underscore form dot add. Okay. Here, if you go down, you will have n number of options you can do. Okay. Set mandatory G underscore form dot. If you click on right set mandatory. See, G underscore form dot set mandatory field. See, here you can see field name. Here he is telling you the syntax, how to write the how to write the syntax, he is explaining you. Method G underscore form dot set mandatory field name, whatever the field you wanted to do the mandatory, that you need to enter. String value. String is nothing but you have to enter it in quotations. Value boolean. Boolean is nothing but yes or no, or true or false.
True or false.
Yeah. So
Okay.
here set to mandatory. If you click on enter, it will show you set to mandatory. In this one, field
Department.
yeah, field name in the string. In the quotation, what is the field you want to make the mandatory?
Department.
Location.
Department.
Yeah, department.
Location.
I'll see. Department field mandatory. No worries. So what is the backend database name of department? U underscore
department.
reference. U underscore reference one is the backend database name of this department field. Copy this. Okay, put it here, and comma, boolean. Here value is equal to boolean. What it is doing? Boolean means TRUE.
True or
Yeah,
okay.
enter. Say enter the semicolon and save the record. It's a missing function declaration for on.
Function name is on submit here.
Okay, no problem. On submit also. See here it is on load, it is on submit. That's the reason why it is not populating, but it's okay. So what I'll do is I'll just reload. Okay, I will put the name here. Okay, I will put location mandatory underscore department read only. Okay. I will select on load only, on load. Again, I will write G underscore form dot set mandatory, enter. Okay. Which field I want? This field I want. And TRUE, true. Okay. I will save the record.
Kumar, why are we reloading the page every time we create something new?
I didn't understand what you're saying.
Why are we reloading the page? Okay, now we have to again enter the data. Why did we reload?
No, actually, when I select here on load,
Mm.
see here it is on load. When I select on load,
Mm.
here it is on load snippet is there. If I select immediately on submit, this snippet will not get changed.
No, I got this. But before this, you have done just right click and reload, no?
This
Why
one,
did we do?
yeah, that's what it will get refreshed, and no, we have not saved this record yet, right? So it
Okay.
will be again a new form.
A reload means again a new form.
Yes, reload means see on the existing record. Say for example, here if I go to incident form, click on all and open a existing record. If I reload it, see, if I reload it, the number is 763. If I reload it, still the number will be 763. Okay. If I open the new record, click on create new, the number is 771. Okay. If I reload it, the number will be 772. That means on the new form, it will give you, if you reload it, it will give you again a new form. That means the number again, it will increase the number, one more number again. But on the existing form, it will refresh the existing form.
Okay.
In the same way, here also, when I am creating a new client script, if I reload it, before I saved it for the first time, if I reload it, it will remove all the data what I have entered and give me a new form. You got it?
Yes.
So,
Sir, 1 second. The name is there now, sir. Like, is it any format we should give, sir?
what I didn't understand you're asking.
Like first table.
No. Here, this is what name, huh?
Yeah, correct, sir.
The name is nothing but as a good developer, what you need to think is,
Okay.
you will be in this project for 1 or 2 years. You may resign and go to the other company with good package, or you will be in a different project in the same company. But after that, if somebody comes as some issue has happened and somebody wants to verify this script and he wants to check the name. At that time, he should be able to manage or understand name and this script should be related. Understand?
Okay, got it, sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I had G underscore form dot set mandatory you reference to. Now if I go to on the on-road, I'm doing this. If I click on create new, you can see, please, the other first script is this. If you click on OK, department field is mandatory on on-load itself, correct?
Yes.
Now I will write one more thing like G underscore form dot set read only. See, set read only methods G underscore form dot set read only field. Okay, enter. Close this. See, field name is a string, value is boolean. Which field you wanted to make the read only? Location field. Right?
Location.
Location field is this. Copy location. And see here it is showing as a reference string field now. So you have to put it in quotations for sure. Otherwise it will not work. Comma.
True.
Simple. Enter. Now you can save like this also. Save. I see sometime back we have this change, what you have been changed and now you can save it. Okay, location is saved. Now I will go to again. Why I am refreshing this page? Because I have added some extra script
Onload.
this to apply these changes on the incident form. I have to reload. See, okay. Location field should be read only. What happened, man? Let's go from location. What to correct? What happened? This is not working. Yeah, that's what. When you change this something on the form, it will not work properly. That is the problem here. So what I'll do is I will write the script one more time. Save this record. G underscore form dot set read only. Okay. And the quotation location field comma true. Save this record. Well, like this, reload the form.
I think you have changed on submit, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
రెండు చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక్కోసారి అవ్వట్లేదు సార్ అలాగే
అవ్వట్లేదు. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
కాపీ చేసి క్రియేట్ చేయండి కొత్త ఇన్యాక్టివేట్ చేసండి.
Yeah. No, I don't. So is the problem. When I change the type and do something, it is not working. Copy, paste it. It is onload. I will copy this function and put it here in the new one. Okay, I will make it inactive or I will delete it. Delete the old one. Let us see how it performs. Okay, onload is there, but it is working fine now. Okay, I'm saving the record. Okay, if I go to click on create and reload it. Oh, it's not working. Okay, let me do one thing. Caller is able to touch. Department is something. Okay. Test it. See, if there is on any other functionality, then it will not get, no, it will not be taken. Otherwise, I can do correlation ID is there. I will open this. It will work actually. See, I will copy this field and I will copy this field and add in the place of, okay, I will put it
So
like,
maybe we did not give this database name for
no,
location.
we have given database name only. Location is database only. Set read only. We will check for the other field, no? Then we will be able to understand what we have done a mistake. Okay, don't worry. I am doing it for the correlation ID and location. Location, if I, let me check what is the location backend name. Location only. Okay, so now I will save this record. Correlation ID is a field on my form. I will reload it. See, correlation ID. Correlation ID is now read only. It is working on correlation ID. Why it is like not working on location? Because Servicenow has other functionality in the backend. Servicenow has written some other script on the location field. That's the reason why it is not becoming read only. Understand?
Yeah.
If
Is
you
it
want
a
to make
reference
this,
field? No.
sorry,
Reference field, is it that reason that
please, can you speak a bit loud? I don't understand what you're asking.
I mean, it is a reference field, that's why.
No. It's not like that. See, if that is the case, I will make this assigned to read only. You can see. Okay. Assigned.
Okay.
What is the backend database name of this assigned to? Assigned to assign underscore to. I will copy this and put the same thing. G underscore form dot set read only. Okay, put read only. Comma, true. Save this. Okay, now go here, read only. Okay. No, it's because not because of reference field, it is mandatory means no, it is not working means no, it is not correct. Yeah, actually this on this location and assigned to field, there is some other functionality is there. We can make reference fields also. See, if I go to, I'll go to assigned to and go to configure dictionary. I have an option to make it read only. You can see read only option is there. Then why can't I make this with the help of client script? No, I can see it. You see, read only, I will update it. If there is any other functionality already built on the same field, then it will not work. See, assign it to is read only now. Got it?
Okay.
So it is not correct because there are some other functionalities are there. That's the reason why it is not working. If that is the case, I'll do one thing for you. Give me a second.
Sir, even it is same with the case of location as well.
Yes, that is what I'm saying. If you right click on the field and go to configure dictionary, you can make it read only. But other client scripts, other business rules are stopping our client script. That's the reason why it is not working. I'll show you. Give me a second. See, this staff name is a reference field. I will write. I want to make this read only now. U underscore staff name. Copy this. I can put it here. G underscore form dot set read only. Okay. Your staff name. Here we and go like this. Reload the form. Okay. See, staff name is read only. Correct?
Yes.
But
Yes, sir.
On the staff name, I have not written any other functionality. This is the first time I'm retaining some functionality. But on the location, because these are these two location and assigned to are created by user or the system, guys. Tell me.
System.
How do you
System.
how do you
Assigned. There is no U underscore.
correct? There is no U underscore between before the prefixing before the name, right? So
Yes.
you can identify. But that means ServiceNow system by default it has some other functionality. So that's the reason it is not working. Got it?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so here if you enter two backslash, that means you are commenting it. At a time, if you want to comment, you can do like this and comment like this. You can all the things will come. Comment means all these 4 lines will
Will
not
not run.
work. Yes. Okay. And next thing, now we have seen set mandatory, set read only. Now we will see set visible. Visible means it will be visible on the form. I will reload it. Okay, so all they are done. Department. Who is doing this department mandatory, guys? Department. I didn't do. I am not doing department mandatory. Who is doing this? See here it is not there. Okay, fine. Who is doing department mandatory? Here we have not entered any department here. Correct?
Yeah.
It means who is nothing but which client script or which functionality is making that field mandatory. That's what I am asking.
UA policy is something.
Maybe.
The U underscore reference is department, sir.
What I want.
Mm,
Yes.
You made it, sir.
yes.
Yes, that is correct. Very good catch. This is what I want actually. So I will make this also commenting. And next thing, I will, okay, I am saving this. Okay, nothing is there now. So I will delete the other functionality also, guys. Is that fine? Okay, other functionality is nothing but like this. Every time that pop-up message is coming, I want to inactivate that one also. Right click, go to configure client scripts. Confirm description. This one I will make it inactive. Because that means it will not run again. Okay, you can see. It will not populate the function again. That means that message. So here, on load, what I want to do is correlation. I don't want this correlation ID to be visible on the form. You can do it with the help of form layout. You can do it with the help of form design. And you can do it with the help of client script. UI policy. You can do it with the help of client script also. Now we will do the help of client script. Here what I will do is G underscore form dot set visible. Set visible. Set visible. See here it is field name is string display boolean. That means what is the field I wanted to use staff name? I don't want this use staff name. Okay. Comma false. That means I don't want this. True means visible. False means invisible, not visible. See, if I reload the form, you go to the bottom. Are you able to see the staff name here?
No.
So that means how it is, who is doing that? This 9th line is doing that. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Next, I want to set some value. Whenever the form is loading, I want to set some value. That means whenever, whenever, I want to populate a description automatically saying that explain the description in detail, something like this. I want to populate here. So what I wanted to do, G underscore form dot set a value, set a value. What is the value? See, field name, string value. Both are strings only. Which field you wanted to enter? Description field. In the description field, comma. What is the value you wanted to enter? Please explain. Please explain the issue in detail. Something like that. Semicolon. And save this record. Okay. Now again reload the form. See, please explain the issue in it. Did I type this sentence or it has come from the client script?
Client script.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next. G underscore form dot add info message, add error message. Add error message I will show you now. Add error message. See, message is a string. String is nothing but you need to enter in quotations. So error message is you are selecting the priority. You are selecting the wrong priority. Something like that. Okay. Next. G underscore form dot add info message. Info message. Info message is nothing but you have submitted reloading the form. You are reloading the form, something like that. Or you have reloaded the form. You have refreshed the form. Okay. Save this one. So if I reload the form, you can see I have refreshed it. See, red color one is error message, blue color one is info message. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If if client is asking some users are not adding this properly, so whenever they enter wrong values, wrong entries, pop up them a error message. If they have done correctly, pop up them info message. Understand?
Yes.
If they are asking, you have to use G underscore form info message and error message. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, G underscore form. Okay, G underscore form dot add option. Add option is nothing but what do you mean by option here? Field name string, choice value string, choice label string. Okay. So here, whenever the form is loading, I want to add category as maintenance. Maintenance category I want to add here with the help of client script. With the help of client script, I want to add a maintenance thing. So what I will do here, what it is actually on which field you wanted to add category, CATURY category, comma. So field name I have entered in the string. Choice value, you know what is value, right?
Yes.
Yes.
1, 2, 3 is the value. And label, choice label is maintenance, maintenance. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
I'm saving the record. Reload the form. See, in the category, maintenance is added. Is this clear? Guys, please go on mute if you are not speaking. Guys, please go on mute if you are not speaking. Thank you. So now I have added a category maintenance here. Now I want to remove a option phone from the list. I want to remove this phone option or self-service option. Self-service option I want to remove. Okay. Now what I need to do? Again, the same thing. G underscore form. I have added there. Now I am removing remove option. Remove option. Okay. Which thing first field remove? From which field you want to remove? Channel. What is the backend contact type? So contact type, CONTACT, contact underscore type. Which one you wanted to remove? See, choice value string. Value it is asking. What is the value of the self-service case? How do you know what is the value of self-service? Right click on it, go to configure dictionary and check the value of the self-service. Simple. Where is self-service? Self-service is a value. Copy this. Copy and put it here. Any confusion, anybody?
You
No.
have given 1, 2, 3 for maintenance. We
It
have
is
to change
value.
that.
Value.
Yeah. We have to change that. 1, 2, 3 is not right. Right.
See, I have explained you in the beginning in the itself. You can
You have
have your
given the
value.
1, 2, 3, right?
Yeah, you can have your values, alphabets, numeric, alphanumerics also. I
Yeah.
have entered it 1, 2, 3 wantedly, whether you will be able to understand it or not.
Okay. Okay.
To check your understanding, I have entered 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now what we have removed? Self-service, right? So are you able to see self-service here?
No.
So because of this 14th line, it has removed. Next thing is G underscore form dot. Okay, I'm just clear options are there. Clear values are disable attachment, enable attachment, get action. So there are a lot of things. Add sections, remove sections. Okay, get value, get table. There are n number of things which I am only telling you which we use frequently. Set value, we have to show error box. Show error box, I'll show you. Show error box. Okay, input string, message string, show error box. Okay. Input string is nothing but input string is nothing but what? Field name.
Some.
So I will put it for assigned to, assigned underscore to, comma. I will check, please check it. Something like that. Save it. Error box is, see, add info message will populate here. Error box will show up below to the specified field name. Simple. See, understood?
Yes.
Next, G underscore form dot information clear messages. So I will add clear message, clear value I will enter. Clear value is nothing but clear value. In which field you wanted to enter? Description. I will now you would have to tell me what it is doing.
It will clear the text which is there
Somewhere.
in description.
Correct. See, no description. Earlier in the description, where is the description? Yeah, from 10th line, it is adding a value of please explain the issue in detail. In the 16th line, it is clearing the value. Understand?
Yes.
Every time the script will run line by line, 9th line, 10th line, like that, it will run line by line. So in the 10th line, it is adding the value in the description field. In the 16th line, it is clearing the value. Okay.
Yes.
Next, G underscore form dot. What are the other messages I can tell you? Yeah, section display. Section display. What do you mean by section display? Section name string Brilliant border. What is, see here, if you want to hide the section, you can have the name SBI info is there. I don't want this SBI info on the form. So SBI info section, comma, paths. So here I am reloading the form. So if I go to the bottom, and section info is still displaying, man. What happened?
Backend name wrong.
But here INFO. Actually, I have to write it in lowercase, I guess. I don't remember it actually. SPI. Because it will not have any backend name. Section will not have backend name. I'll go to UI sections. So form sections. SBI info. SBI info. On which table it is? SBI info. See? Okay. Open it. See, it will not have any backend values. Backend names will not have anything. SBI info is SBI info. Simple.
Underscore, use underscore otherwise.
Huh?
Underscore, sir.
Underscore.
Space
No. No. We can put it like that also. Correct. Check. Let us see. Now it's gone. So underscore is the problem. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Next, G underscore form dot. Related link section visible, remove decoration, remove option, save, disable. Data section display set value, error box, field message, show related list. Okay, so try to practice it for today. Tomorrow we will discuss other things. Is that fine with everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, one
Yeah.
doubt.
Yeah,
For
tell
the
me
current form, we use G form. So can we use the same script for two forms?
I didn't understand what you're asking.
For the current incident form, we writing
Present
the
form,
script.
please call it as
Yeah.
present form.
Yeah, present form, we are writing the script. Can we use, can we script for two forms at the same time?
See, you cannot use it for two times because you can only see one form at a time, correct?
Yes.
Then
If they have same fields and we want to update something for both the forms.
no, you just tell me the requirement clearly. See, how
Okay,
can you see multiple forms at a time? See, right now I am on form section UI. If you want to write any UI G_ form set mandatory kind of thing on this form section, you have to select the sys_UI_ section table and write the client script. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So here you already selected the incident table. You
Okay.
cannot select multiple tables at a time. No, you have to write it separately.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Any other questions?
Have we discussed about data policies?
Data policies? What?
Data policies గురించి ఏమైనా డిస్కస్ చేసాం.
Varma, I am not able to understand what you are asking. Data policies will come under web services.
ఓకే ఓకే, అది కంప్లీట్ మనకు అయిందా లేదా అని అడుగుతుంది.
It's not completed.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Any other questions from anybody? Okay. So see you tomorrow, same time. Bye bye.